Welcome back. This afternoon, you're listening to the Todd Laborowitz Show, Real Estate Radio on Salem Broadcast Network, WRC 1260 AM. I am your host, Todd Laborowitz, and we're going to be speaking with Mayor Newton, Mayor of Rockville, Maryland. And Mayor Newton is serving her first term as Mayor of Rockville after 2 terms on the Rockville City Council. She's also been a resident of Rockville since 1981. And her husband live in the city of West End neighborhood, and they have 2 children. Welcome, Mayor Newton.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for being here. I'm so excited to have you. So my one question, and it came from my wife, is why did you want to become mayor of Rockville?
Oh, that's a great question. I ask myself that sometimes. But actually, I think I'm the accidental mayor. It was never a plan of mine. I've just always been a volunteer, always active in the community. And I decided in 2009 it was time to take the next step and get involved at the city level. And I enjoyed that. There was an opportunity this past year when our current mayor decided not to run again, and I stepped in and decided to go for it.
It's so exciting. So tell me, what has the experience been like for you?
Oh, it's great. Every day is different. It's a wonderful challenge. It's a great opportunity. And 90% of the time, I'm having fun.
Are you getting used to the word Mayor Newton?
It's really strange. Actually, on Friday, I was a guest reader at Bell Elementary to the 4th grade class, Miss V's class, and they kept calling me Mayor Newton, and it was so interesting to just hear it. So it's fun.
It's got a nice ringtone to it.
It's interesting.
I remember when I went on my honeymoon, everywhere I went, Mr. and Mrs. Laborowitz, and I'm like turning my head, and
right.
It's
Who's
an adjustment
that?
period.
There is an adjustment period. That's right.
But it's such an honor.
It is such an honor and such an opportunity for me and for the city. I hope we can do great things together.
Yeah. And I wanted to share with you, and that's why I'm glad that you're here. It's interesting. I grew up in Baltimore. Mm-hmm. I've lived in Virginia. I've lived in Bethesda, and I loved it there. And my family and friends, they live in Rockville. And one day in 2010, I decided to go to Rockville Town Center. I was just trying something out, didn't know what it was. I am blown away with how structured and organized Rockville is. Yeah. And my first experience was that parade. I remember waking up one morning, and there's a parade coming down the street. I'm opening up the windows. People are coming, the fire engines, the police cars, the convertibles, everyone waving. And I'm like, where am I?
Yeah, you are in Rockville, Maryland, small town, USA. We are a small city in the big city, and it is just the best place to be. We have so much going on.
I mean, you have your own police force?
Yes, we do.
And the courts, it's absolutely, it blew my mind how wonderful Rockville, Maryland is.
Well, we're also the county seat. We are the 3rd largest city in the state of Maryland. We have about 62,000 people, but we really do have that small town feel, and we work hard to keep that. We're a city of neighborhoods, and our neighborhoods are what make us so special. Yeah,
and it's such a wild community. Now, let's talk about this Memorial Day weekend and hometown holidays, because I know this is the 70th Memorial Day ceremony and parade that's going on.
Right.
For me, it's new. It's the 4th year. But
well, and you're very lucky to be able to open your door and watch it. I think people who live in the town center have the best view of all. The rest of us walk in or drive in. You can come by Metro, obviously. But about 25 years ago, they started Hometown Holidays. As you said, the parade's been going on for 70 years. It's a wonderful way to showcase what we do well in the city and bring people together with the bands, and it's just going to be a really fun time.
But even for the children, to see the fire trucks and the police cars and everyone, the whole experience. Growing up as a kid, I loved the Macy's parade. I was the first one to run downstairs to turn the TV on. It blew that away.
Yes, it's such a great parade. We have bands from schools throughout the area. People apply to get in our parade. That's how great we are. And I don't mean to brag, but Rockville does it well.
It's wonderful. Well, by the way, if you're just tuning in, I have with me Mayor Newton with the Mayor of Rockville, Maryland. And I am your host, Todd Laborowitz, and you're listening to Salem Broadcast Network, WRC 1260 AM. So, Mayor Newton, we have for that weekend, it's 5 stages of entertainment, featuring more than 30 free live performances, also a taste of Rockville, a kids' amusement and entertainment.
Yes.
My friends' kids come over, they walk around, and they're playing on the moon bounce, and there's food, and
It's great. Well, I want to say one thing about the Taste of Rockville, because for $1.25 you buy a ticket, and then the proceeds from that go to help us with Community Ministries, which is our nonprofit arm in the city, doing wonderful things, helping people all over. So it's a great way to test new food, try it out, and also to be helpful as well.
And we have a lot of great restaurants here.
Yes, we do.
I even remember there being an ice cream stand.
Well, it might have been Carmen's Italian Ice. He drives the truck around and parks at the best Italian ice you'll have.
Oh, it's out of this world.
Yeah, he's a great guy. Does a lot for the community as well.
And he's been a big landmark in this area.
Yeah, he's been around. He's down on Nelson Street. He's been there for maybe 10 years or so.
Wonderful. And how big? Now I know Rockville Town Center, and I'm a little judgmental because I love the area so much. How far out does Rockville go?
Well, Rockville's about 13 square miles. We go north to Shady Grove Road, west just past, well, maybe St. Raphael's Church, if you're familiar with that, on Falls Road, south to Twin Brook Parkway and Rollins, and east over to Goody Drive, and just past on Avery. Rockville has a Redgate Golf Course, which is right there, so we sort of a zigzag around.
So you got a lot of area to cover.
We do. 3 high schools, almost 5 elementary schools, and a middle school.
And those high schools are in high demand. A lot of people are trying to move into the area just to go to those high schools.
Absolutely, yes.
And what about the parks? There's a lot of paths for biking and running. And
we have the Millennium Trail. We're known for our parks. One of Rockville's principles is to have a park within about a 10-minute walk from each residence, each place you live. So there's always something to do.
And there's more events throughout the year.
Absolutely.
I know there's concerts.
We have concerts in the square. We have 4th of July fireworks.
Movie night. I remember movie night.
Movie night. That was a good one. In the winter, they put the ice rink in town center.
How did that come to play?
You know, I don't know. Loving ice skating as I do, it was really exciting to have it come. It started out being an ice rink that you actually were on 2 blades, and then they grew it into a bigger one, a real rink now, and the kids are there all the time. It's busy 24/7. Well,
it's constantly packed.
It is constantly packed. After school, the kids come. At night, it's families. It's just great.
Now, how can the community get more involved?
We have a website, Rockville MD. It's www.rockvillemd.gov.
Okay.
Go on there. You'll find out everything about hometown holidays, ways to get involved in Rockville through our boards and commissions. Lots of information is on there.
Okay. And is there summer activities for the children?
Oh, yeah. Rockville camps. We have a summer brochure that comes out. Lots of classes, lots of camps.
Now, the library.
Yes.
I love it because you can go online, find the books that you want, and then they send you an email and you just show up and get it.
And you go pick them up. It's perfect. We have a beautiful library, regional library, and we have lots and lots of activities going on there as well. And I think coming up there'll be another book sale too. So the Friends of the Library does periodic sales to raise money to help out, which is great.
Okay. And what about, it's called Vista?
Viz Arts.
Viz Arts
is our arts place. It's just down from the library, also on the square. Wonderful building, creative classes, opportunities to rent. It's just a great place. Go check it out. Check out the artists. Each one has their own little studio, and some of the work is for sale.
Can anyone walk in any time?
I believe so, yeah. They have hours, and there's a gallery on the first floor, sometimes with different things, and then you go upstairs, second and third floor.
Okay. Now, in Rockville Town Center, there's a lot of good restaurants.
Yes.
And I have my favorites. Do you have your favorite?
I don't really have a favorite. I love them all, and I like to just decide one day, well, let's go out to eat and let's try this. So
it's such a variety because
the variety is awesome. And we have a new one called 82 Steak that just opened.
Yes.
So, it's changing. It's wonderful to try new things all the time.
That's getting a lot of traffic. I'm seeing a lot of people in and out. I haven't been there yet. Okay, and just to follow up right now, how can everyone get in touch with you or get more information about the city of Rockville?
Well, to find out about the city, go to www.rockvillemd.gov, and you'll find out everything, including how to reach me.
Well, thank you, Mayor Noonan, for being here from the city of Rockville. Next, we're going to have Denise Deffrin from Jill's House, and we'll be right back after these messages.
You don't go through life with a paralyzing fear every time you have a financial transaction. So why is applying for a mortgage so scary? At Topaz Mortgage with Todd Laborwood, it is about educating and empowering you to get from point A to point B. Todd provides you with his exact closing cost, best interest rate, then invites you to shop around. Plus, if you call with questions, Todd picks up with the answers. Learn more at whytopaz.com. They are industry experts that care. Topaz Mortgage, NMLS 131548, licensed by the Virginia State Corporation Commission, MC 5344, Washington, D.C., MLB 131548, Maryland 18330, Todd Laborwood, NMLS 131497.